Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. It's time to discuss none other than XLM. We're going to be seeing what is happening with Stellar right now and where we could see the price of Stellar going in Q4 of 2023. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at XLM on the daily time frame, it's up about 1.8%. Obviously, the entire market is in green right now. The month of October has started. Generally speaking, the month of October and Q4 in cryptocurrency is treated as a bullish quarter, and that's why we're seeing so much excitement coming in within the cryptocurrency market. Solana absolutely tearing it, and so is Rune. So we're going to be taking a look at what exactly is next for XLM. If we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, it's still up about 1.3%, and looking at its price, 11.4 cents right now as of October 1st, up 1.7% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, but it's not outpacing Bitcoin comparative right now, down about 1.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $3.16 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 50.5 million. And I'm sure at this point you guys are wondering, especially if you're holding XLM in your portfolio, why is XLM not moving? Why is XLM not being correlated with the price of Bitcoin along with the entire market? Guys, not every coin is going to explode. XLM was exploding while the entire market was not exploding back when XRP won its lawsuit. So we need to keep a lot of factors in mind right now. And there are going to be coins, there are going to be certain times where specific coins pump and specific coins just trade sideways, and I think that is what's happening with Stellar right now. But if you guys are not aware of this, it's a stablecoin issuer. Circle has launched a Stellar-based version of its euro-backed stablecoin URC, according to a September 26th announcement. Your URC was previously only available on Ethereum and Avalanche network. So you guys can see they made this announcement, and this is quite interesting, of course. It says, "Hello Europe, meet our new friend EURC on Stellar. Same speed, low cost, and reliability of the Stellar network we all know and love in a brand new currency. With Circle's URC, we can't wait to see what the real world utility builders unlock next." So that is great to see. Of course, the price did not see a massive reaction to that because it's not considered a huge news. But again, if this news was in a bull market when things are going absolutely insane, I think this could impact the price quite a bit. But let's take a look at the price right now and see what is happening as of now. So if we're looking at Stellar, if I were to zoom in for you guys, you can see pretty much since August 17th, we've been trading right here within this range, pretty much sideways. But we haven't really seen a pop off for Stellar and retesting some of the September 11th prices, or September 10th at 13.4 cents. But remember, that is when it was leading up towards that massive announcement that was coming out from Stellar. But again, that announcement did not live up to the hype. They overhyped it up, and of course we discussed that. But again, every project has their ways to do marketing. I can't really do anything about that. If I were to bring out the measuring tool, since then, we are up, we're down about 18% from that level. So if you were questioning yourself for not dollar cost averaging into Stellar, let's say you have done your due diligence and research and you think Stellar is going to be one of the top contenders in terms of top gainers this bull cycle, and you were kicking yourself, of course, when XRP won the lawsuit and we went all the way up to 20 cents, and of course around this range too, leading up to that announcement. If you were questioning and you're saying, I missed out, well, guess what? The opportunity is right here for you guys right now to dollar cost average. And right now what we're seeing is, if I were to bring out the hourly time frame for you guys, I think we will get a better understanding. So look at this, guys. We did see just 2 days back the price of Stellar go up to that 11.9 cents. So it did react to that Euro URC announcement. Basically, we did go up to 11.9 cents, but we are pretty much retracing down. The reason as to why this is the case is because the volume on Stellar right now is quite low. You can see about 50.5 million. So that is also a factor, and of course a lot of other coins that have not pumped yet. Investors are looking elsewhere as well, and there's so much happening. Solana is absolutely ripping, and I don't recommend people doing this, but this does happen. What people usually do is they get tired of holding, they get tired of having patience and they see a coin pumping up and they go chase the green candles, which is not what you should be doing. You should be dollar cost averaging in, and if you have accumulated, then just do have patience. Unless you're locking in profits, which I'm totally all for it. If you're locking your profits in and then investing some into the other coins, then go for it, as long as you've done your due diligence and research. But this is the overall outlook on Stellar. Yes, we're not seeing those massive pumps happening right now, but remember, in cryptocurrencies, it's not going to be like where everything moves. Yes, it is seeing a green day, of course, as the market is reacting on a positive day. You can see this for yourself. Now, Bitcoin is back in the 61.8. You know how I treat the 61.8 zone. This is a very important zone for myself. I think Bitcoin is in the safe zone when we're in this range, and that's where we're currently sitting at. But as far as XLM is concerned, it's lagging behind majority of the market, but that's totally fine. You do not want to be getting discouraged at that. Look what Stellar is doing outside of its price. Are they developing? Are they making some massive moves? Are they doing what they're told to do? So are they really revolutionizing the finance world, how people bank? If they're doing that, then that is a good sign. Of course, a massive red flag would be them just staying stagnant, no development, none of that. Then that is a huge red flag. I still think XLM will shock a lot of people. Of course, right now we have a little bit of lower interest, but remember how fast things can move. In a single day, we saw $2 billion come into Stellar, which was when XRP won its lawsuit. So that just shows you how much money is on the sidelines right now. And I am very optimistic that Stellar will have its time and we will start heading back towards the 16.9 cents level of resistance, which is a really important level of resistance for the price of Stellar to be above. And if I were to bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about 45%. So that is the overall take on Stellar as of now. Dominance, on the other hand, is picking up, of course, but we've pretty much been ranging between the 50%, 51%, and 48% for quite some time. So not too much happening in terms of that. Altcoins are continuing to outpace Bitcoin. So remember, altcoins never really saw an altcoin season this year, so it's not a secret that we will see altcoins continuously outperform Bitcoin. So that is what's happening right now. But let me know down below what you think about XLM as of now. Where could you see the price of XLM going before the year of 2023 comes to an end? Do you think we have a chance for the price of Stellar to re-enter the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level before the year comes to an end? Because remember, guys, last time we were in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level was back on April of last year. So this has been about 17 months, basically 16 months roughly, that we haven't seen the price go back. We were very close in July, but we never managed to get past there. So that is the overall take on XLM right now. Let me know down below what you guys think. Where could you see the price, of course, going before the year comes to an end? And if you have not subscribed as of now, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe, and I will bring you guys more updates on Stellar. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.